So hi, I am actually installing Linux onto this computer, and while I am doing this, I will be assembling the calculator I bought on Aliexpress. Now if you ask me why I bought this thing, I have no clue. I don't even need a calculator, but there you have it, I bought it. And I bought this knife, which is I think the smallest knife ever. Okay. But it's actually rather nice. So, do we need instructions? I'm gonna say no, but I'll probably end up needing them. So, yeah. Okay, this is the enclosure, which I can tell you actually looks quite nice. I'm not sure if this is a 3D printed something or not. Okay, we have something, but I thought that they didn't supply the, well, the brains. That would suck. Okay, so I think that this is going like this. Yes, we will need some separators. Let's see how this thing actually looks. There is a manual in here, so yeah. Oh yeah, kind of cool. These are the operations, and this thing actually looks nice. So let's see, what do we have? These are the resistors we have, as it say, and it actually says which component goes where. So let me zoom in a bit and show you. You know what? Let me turn on this lighting, which I think it will be better. Also, I'll solder switches because, well, they are easiest to solder, I guess. Kind of cool. Now let's solder this thing, right? And I just soldered my... well, it is what it is. Okay, let's see where these components go. So this one is 7550A, 75501, I think this is this one. This one is 8550, so it goes in here. This one is 9013, it goes in here. Let's solder them inside. So this is the way it looks now. Let's solder them, and I'm not quite sure whether I need to bend them. Okay, it does not seem that I need to bend them. Okay. Okay, I'm guessing I'll need to solder this thing inside in here, and it will go in here into this thing. So let's solder this. Okay, I don't think that this is the greatest soldering, but it's not the worst, so, you know. And we need to solder, these are the chip components, so chip holder. And as you can see, there is like a little indent in here, and there is like a little indent in here, so this thing needs to be on the same level. I mean, it does not, but it should be. Okay. Okay, let's solder this thing, which goes like this. K and 1K resistor. Okay, so these two are 1K resistors, and let's see, where do we have 1K resistors? We only have one 1K resistor and one 10K. Okay, then why did I get two? With these DIY kits you always get like one extra resistor. Okay, let's see, these ones are 300 ohms. Okay. These are the diodes, and I think they are the same. Diode 1 and diode 2. And I think that these are 10Ks, because I don't have any other ones, so I'm gonna assume that these ones are 10K. Okay, one more, 10K. And this one is the last component, so this one goes in here, because it is the last component. Okay, let's solder everything in. This will be interesting. Okay, now let's cut everything. This should be it. Okay, this thing goes like this. This thing goes like this, and this should be it, I think. Okay, let's see. And let's see what goes in here, I'm not quite sure. Let's try to connect this main logic, I guess. Okay, this thing goes in here. Let's press it in. Okay, this thing goes in here. And we have some maybe plastic to make this like a distance. Okay, let's insert the battery and see what happens. This thing should turn on now, I think. We'll see. Battery 1, battery 2. Ha! Where is the equal sign? Equals is this thing. It's working. It's shit, but it's working. Okay. So I do not actually have anything to distance. Interesting. And I'm guessing I have to print this thing myself. I will. Okay. I mean, it is working, so that's kind of cool. I actually have a label printer, so I'll print it with that because this thing does not make sense. Well, I mean, it is working, so that's kind of cool. Let's remove this thing. What the hell is this thing? Error. Okay, this actually has some maybe better features that I don't know of. And I can actually screw this thing in. Okay, maybe we should remove the battery. I'll just remove this thing. Okay. Okay, I did bend it a bit. They said that I need to bend it 30 degrees, and yeah, I'm not quite sure how much 30 degrees is. I think it's more than this, but this actually looks cool. Perfect, I think. Think a bit more. Okay, this thing might be actually it. 4 screws. Now let's see whether I will be able to plug this thing in. Yes, I will. Okay, battery is already inside. I mean, this thing has to be in, right? And now it's just showing random characters. Let's try now to put the battery back in. Okay, it's fine again. And now I just need to screw this thing in. Okay, cool, cool. I mean, this is kind of cool. I'm gonna be honest. This thing is actually kind of cool. Okay, cool, cool. Okay, okay. I think I have a couple of screws extra. There are a few diodes extra as well, so go figure. This is so useless. Now I do actually have to print the labels, but okay, okay. And there you have it. So basically, let's see, 7 times 7 equals 49. I mean, it is working, but it is kind of cool. So yeah, I just noticed that I can actually cut this. So let's do it, and let's make this, well, let's make it a perfect calculator, right? Let's see how will this thing now look. Will it go in? I mean, it does look nice, I guess. I mean, it's okay. I mean, right? Kind of cool. There are many keys. There's the button missing. There's always a button missing. Seriously. The last one. There we have it. We have a calculator. Kinda cool. I'm not quite sure how long will the batteries last, but yeah.